Hello everyone, I am Sangeeta Randhawa from MV International School Jammu, and today we are going to talk about some interesting facts of our planet Earth. So let's begin. We all know that Earth is the third and one of the 8 planets of our solar system. It is approximately more than 4 billion years old. It is the only planet known to mankind that supports life, and Earth has the greatest density among all the planets in our solar system. But do you know that Earth is also the only planet in solar system which is not named after any god? It is named after word Erida, which means soil, whereas all other planets in our solar system were named after different Greek and Roman gods and goddesses. We all know that more than 70% of Earth's surface is covered with water. And despite of such abundance of water resource, we have only 3% of fresh water available. Rest 97% is salty ocean water not suitable for drinking. You must have heard about different theories how Earth came into existence. But do you know how Moon came into existence? You'll be surprised to know. Planet Earth collided with other planetary mass, which leads to the separation of less than one-third mass of Earth, which then started revolving around planet Earth and became Earth's permanent natural satellite and was named the Moon. Most of our planet rests in dark at any time of day because sunlight cannot reach the depth of the ocean, leaving it in dark. And as water covers more than 70% of Earth's surface, it implies that most part of planet Earth lies in the dark all the time. Earth has a very powerful magnetic field which protects it from solar winds. But this magnetic field is changing. Since 19th century, the northern magnetic pole has shifted over 685 miles, moving northwestward, and southern magnetic pole is also moving constantly. Gravity isn't the same everywhere on planet Earth. Canada Hudson Bay has much weaker gravity than anywhere on this planet. The next fact is really an interesting fact. Do you know about 20 million tons of gold can be found inside our planet and in seas? And if all this gold can be extracted, it would be enough to cover the entire surface of Earth in a 2-foot layer of gold. Earth used to be purple in color once. Scientists think that the ancient microbes didn't use chlorophyll to process sunlight, but other molecule that would have given a violet hue to the microbes, turning the entire planet purple. Our last interesting fact is quite a shocking one, which is Mount Everest is not the tallest mountain on planet Earth. It is approximately 29,029 feet tall above the sea level. But there is another mountain, Mauna Kea in Hawaii, which is approximately 13,800 feet tall above the sea level. Now you'll say, how come this be the tallest mountain on Earth? Well, the largest part of this mountain is underwater, and if measured from very bottom, it is 33,000 feet tall, making it the tallest mountain on planet Earth. Now, which is the tallest planet on Earth? You know the answer. So, that's all in this video. Thank you and be safe.